What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see by the thumbnail today, it's turn up day. Turn up day, man, for Big Dolo. I ain't turned Big Dolo up in a minute, man. I'm talking about, we've been turning up on the track, but I ain't turned up out here on in the road, man. I want to see how this thing gonna do on these 26s. So I got a feeling, cause this thing making some steam, man. This bad boy makes some real steam, man. It's more than what people think it is. I say that. It's more than what people be looking at. This bad boy making some steam. So if y'all see a souped up thumbnail, then we already know what type of time it is. But at this point, I don't know. And see, I start cutting up and dialing in on these wheels now, cause we got the new boom. We got the big boy studs now. So we got a peace of mind right there. We got a big boy stud. So man, I'm finna get wifey, come up the road, up the street for me. And so she can catch that outside footage, and we're gonna turn this thing up, man. We're gonna see what Big Dolo do on these wheels or whatever. So I'm gonna make me a little hit. Y'all gonna have the in car, but wifey gonna catch the turn up footage, man. We're gonna catch the turn up footage. Finna shoot some IG reels too. So that's why I said you got to follow my Instagram, man. Follow my Instagram. You be missing out on stuff. So I'm probably gonna turn this thing up a couple of times. So I might have to go get 2 back tires when I'm done today. I might need 2 back tires, man. So we gonna see what Big Dolo do. So I'm finna, and look at this thing, y'all. Big Dolo like fuel injection, man. When you have a properly tuned carburetor, in my distinguished voice, when you got a properly tuned carburetor, you just get in here like this. Let me see. Hold on. And boom, boom, boom. Here we go. So I'm finna bag this thing up. I'm finna bag Big Dolo up, man, and put the GoPro in there. We're gonna see what it do. So y'all stay tuned. So me and wifey just got back in Big Dolo. And man, boy, this thing here is a dog on them rim, man. I'm definitely gonna have to do a lot of shock adjustments, man. A lot of shock adjustment. Now y'all can see what I was talking about, like about why I need to get all this stuff done with my radios and stuff first. Cause when I put these on and start dialing in on them, I'm seriously gonna have to change my whole complete shock setup. Not take the shocks off. I'm just saying what they said it now. They say that now I got the separation, but I'm gonna have to really give it a lot more rebound. Well, compression, I mean. So it can travel more. Compression as in travel, giving it more travel. Compression is when the shock compress like this, but mine separates. So compression is when y'all see my car raising up like that. My bro Jesse over at Lawler Street Car, he got it set jam up, but it's still, they hit the tire too hard, especially on these. Cause that second one, I wasn't all the way in it. I didn't turn the car up like I really could. I was just doing that to give y'all some footage and to let y'all see what it hit like, and I was seeing what it hit like myself. I've been tested it, but if I go balls to the wall, it ain't doing nothing. But y'all heard every time I hit the gas, they were just tapping the gas. The first one I just gave y'all a power brake. I mean, I don't have the power brake. You can roll, you can be rolling and hit it. It'll break the tire loose, but I'll just power braking to get y'all a good thumbnail. So I had some smoke back there, but if I would have rolled out and grabbed and I went to second gear, it would have white smoked the tires. Boom. And you had to get off of it. But while doing that, man, how about the shifter? How about the shifter came loose from the floor, man? Cause we were shooting the Instagram reel too. I felt the shifter get loose. I said, man, I broke the handle. So the shifter then came unbolted from the floor. So I gotta bolt that thing back, man. I'm gonna have to get some longer screws. Won't be done today. But Big Dolo, right? I told folks on all 8. I told folks it's on all 8. I remember somebody saying, big dummy. Tell them some. Ain't nothing wrong with the motor, man. It's all it'll do. I know where it came from. No, you don't. No, you don't. Boy, it's a dummy. It's a fool born every day. But anyway. Hey, but Big Dolo right, man. Hitting on all 8 cylinders. I told people when I get this thing right, y'all gonna know. And I'm gonna tell y'all what. Cause people see what type of time they call on. After I take this thing in the middle of Georgia and spray it, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do an engine reveal for y'all. Now I ain't gonna tell you the specs on it, cause you're gonna have to wait. And I ain't gonna tell you cubic inches and all this stuff. Y'all gonna have to wait till the end of the year for that. But I'm gonna do an engine reveal. I'm gonna pop the hood like I did brown car. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and show y'all. I done made everybody wait long enough. It getting close to the end of the year, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and I'm gonna show y'all what's in this thing after people see a real pass. Ain't nobody saw no real pass yet, I promise you. The videos y'all seen at the track, ain't nobody saw this thing really eat. And y'all got to remember, man, I ain't on full power when we talking with the gas. I ain't even on full power yet. It's coming though. But y'all, you remember, I got a whole nother kit in there. Man, the real kit. This was the starter. You see what it do. This to test the waters. I got the real kit. Y'all got to pay attention to what I'm doing, man. I'm not doing stuff for no reason. Everything is a strategic move. I done put these big studs back here for no reason. I didn't do that for no reason. Go through all that trouble. Everything's strategically planned, man. I'm telling you, Big Dolo nasty. I gave y'all some turn up footage today, man. I had planned it. I said, I want to turn this thing up. I done turned it up on the wheels before. Not like that, but I done made some hits with the Dragon. And I'm going to tell you, I'm working with something on motor. I done made some hits on motor. Ain't no need of spraying the thing on the wheel, cause y'all see what it do on motor, on pure horsepower. So all that coming, I got some good content coming for y'all, man. I'm gonna debut this thing on the wheels on the track soon. And it'll do a little better on the track with some VAT. than on the street. I keep that in mind. But I done seen what I need to see. I got data on this car. I got a lot of data on this car already. I do a lot of stuff off camera. But y'all see, man, we turned Big Dolo up, man. Shout out to Wifey. Shout out to Wifey. My ride or die. Bunny and Clyde. See, y'all make sure to go subscribe to her YouTube channel, Days with Kendra. It's on the screen right now. Go check out her last video coming. I don't know when she's gonna drop the video of her driving Emma, man. She got a video, man. I'm gonna get on today. I'm like, you gotta drop that. So she's gonna get that done. Then we got some more content coming with Dolo and Brown Coat. I got some stuff coming with Brown Coat. And I'm finna dig, I'm gonna dig John Jones back out the corner car. I done gave him a rest. Y'all see how I do. I stay with one for about 2 weeks, give the rest of them a rest, then I had to go back to another one. So John Jones been resting about 2 weeks, so I'm about to put him back to work. We've been in the Cutlass R&B. She been rolling about 2 weeks now, so we're gonna get back on John Jones. We're gonna switch him back up. And Brown Coat been sitting for 2 weeks too at this time. Man, drove it in 2 weeks. We've been in Big Dolo. But like I said, man, I'm finna, after next week, well, this week, y'all seeing it this week. After this week, after we take the thing to the track, Dolo and Brown Coat gonna be going to Lawless Street Cars at the same time. Cause I got to get ready to finish this year out with a bang, and I'm gonna spray Brown Coat this year. So Dolo going. Cause I'm just running to see what it do on the shot that's on it now, on how much gas I got on it now. But which is, it's a decent hit, but it's not what it's really set up for, but it's a decent hit. But I'm finna take this kit off and put it on Brown Coat, and y'all know the new kit going on Big Dolo. And really, when I get the new kit, I'm gonna need to go ahead and get that progressive controller hooked up. I'm really gonna need it, cause one thing I like about a progressive controller too, you can turn the percentage down. So let's say if you got 700 horsepower worth of nitrous on the engine, and you can put the progressive controller on 50%, it'll spray like 50%, which would be like 350 or 350. Or you can put it on 20%, you know, and you can just go accordingly. You can put it on 10%, and it'll be 70 shot, you know. So it just, that's why I'm gonna get that progressive controller, and I'm definitely gonna need it on these, cause the way it's set up now, it was set up like that for the budget engine. When I had the budget engine in here, y'all know this the new, that's the new. So the first engine that was in here, that's how the nitro was set up for the budget engine. So, and we had an even smaller shot back then too, cause I didn't do forward stuff in it. But I might put that engine back together too. I might put that combo back together, man, just to see what it produce or whatever. And I got build sheets, man. I'm telling you, I'm finna start offering build sheets. So if a person want a build sheet, get at me. I'm gonna have the pricing together. Like I said, I'll be done spec the engine out for you and all that. All you'll have to do is buy the parts, literally buy everything I send you on the build sheet, or email you or whatever. How I'm gonna do, I'm gonna format them right. All you have to do is go get the part. They have all the part numbers. Take all the guesswork out for you, man. Everything be spec'd out. Tell you what size carb you need. Of course, if I do it, if you decide to get one, I need to talk with whoever get one, cause I need to know what you're trying to do. Cause if you got an engine and you trying to be on the street more than go to the track racing it, then they're gonna determine like your carburetor size and stuff too. Cause the carburetor size can vary based on what you're trying to do. You're gonna be more, if you're gonna be on the 5800 RPMs a lot, you ain't gonna need XYZ CFM card. Versus if you know you're gonna be turning the engine up to 7,000 RPM, so they got a lot to do with it. You know, you gotta know your VE of the engine and all this stuff. That's how you calculate carburetor, but I ain't gonna get into all that. But like I said, I got a surprise for y'all now, especially for the one that be thinking Jay don't know what he talking about, cause I play ignorant sometimes, just to get my comment section going. I got a surprise for everybody. But that's today's video. It will literally just turn up footage. I want to give y'all some action. So they're gonna do that for today, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.